See my buddy Shane? He took the roof off that house. It's gonna rain tomorrow. Today's Monday. It's the 2nd of January. Tomorrow the girls get back. I'm not sure what time they come in at, but I know I have to do the dishes and clean up a little bit before they get home. So I'm on my way home now to do that. Good job on the dishes, Casey. You're a big help. Was an outside kitty playing in the back porch. So I'm going to take this apart, try and solder it later on. I brought soldering iron in. I put the fan back on the dehumidifier. It's working. It seems to be working fine, so I'll just leave it sit for now. It doesn't need to be on because the basement's dry, but I've set it so that if we do get water down there, it'll turn on. Okay, kitty, are you going to help me dry the dishes? Dry the dishes? You know what that is? I don't think she gets it. Oh, look, another stuffy. That's not a kitty toy. That's the little girl stuffy. They get home tomorrow. That means you get lots of cuddles. She's been sleeping beside my head. Maybe on it because I wake up with cat hairs in my eyes. I won't miss that. Steak. Should have been eating this every day. I'll get this Bachelor thing right yet. It ends tomorrow, but I'll plan better next time. So I just got the call from Heidi. They're going to be here tomorrow at Tomorrow at 4 they should be getting into London. So I've got to clean up my mess here. It's not a very big deal. I'm going to do my soldering and put the sewing machine back away. And oh, laundry. I got to put the laundry in the dryer. Right, kitty? Let's go back into the basement. So I'm going to try and solder this to there. You see some of them are missing solder. A lot of them are missing solder. So this is my practice piece. I've got 2 practice pieces. I'm going to try and then I'll attempt to fix the one that I think is viable. This is not a how to solder video. So go to YouTube and get some advice from the experts. That's what I did, but I'm not going to follow it all. Well, some of it. Reflowed. Can't say I have much hope for this one. It hasn't reflowed because it's missing some of the stuff that's printed on the board for it to stick to, but that's got solder where it's supposed to have solder. It's overlapped there, but golly, that's pretty good. It's got every one of those little things. Focus. I'm pretty pumped about that. This is working. That's working pretty well. Actually, let's try and put this on there. Golly, it's got it right across. Look at that. That is cool. Okay. I'm pumped about that. This one's going to be a little more difficult. I can't get it out of the case, at least not easily. I'm just going to try and reflow it. We'll take a look at what we've got here. Don't you touch that, cat. How's that look? I think with the way this one looks, this is the second one, I'm going to attempt the third. I'm really pleased with how this first one's turned out. It's not pretty, but it's on there. It's on there really well. Oh, I've just pulled it apart now. That's one of the problems with this. The metal that's on the board is coming off the board. So let's see if we can fix that other one. This one looks in really good shape. If anything, I'd say it doesn't need soldering. Well, maybe the one on this very end. So I'm just going to do the one. Okay, I think that's got it. I think I've got it. So I'm going to put this back together and we will test it out in the car tomorrow or the next day. One day or another. Okay, that's back together. Let's take this apart now. I've started taking it apart. I peeled the back off so I could see. I need my small screwdriver set. Ta-da! So here we go. Flip this around. There we are. It's our board. The one side, those are buttons on the one side. A couple of capacitors. That's where our screen is attached. I flip the screen back over. There's the buttons on the other side. There's our power. Let's see if I can flip this over. I can't see. Anyways, there's the brain box. The LED light. That's the SD slot, that metal thing. I don't see anything. Just let the smoke out. Typically, there'll be a skid mark. And that skid mark lets you know that something's exploded. I don't see any. That means I probably cooked the brain box of it. This little microcontroller there. It doesn't have any holes in it. It's a no name. Doesn't have anything on it. Most of these chips they're all no name. So that goes to tell you the quality of this piece. Why the battery doesn't last so long in this. That's it. It's about the size of a quarter. So about the thickness as well. Look at that. Compared to my thumb. It's got its own circuit board on it. DXH. That's all it says. Okay. Well, there's no fixing this. So this will go to the electronics recycling. So will this other stuff, the yaw sensor stuff. Cat's going crazy. She's not allowed on the counter, but she can run around the walls. Okay, I'm going to wrap this up, clean this up, so it's ready for tomorrow. and throw some mice at the cat. Thank you for watching.